looking at factoring a trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1. So I have the scenario here, factor the following expression, x squared minus 4x plus 4. And when I'm factoring a trinomial, tri meaning 3, nomial meaning terms, I have 3 terms, x squared, negative 4x, and 4. My goal is to have 2 expressions that multiply together to give me this. And the way that this is going to look like is it's going to be x, and then there's going to be some number here and some number here. X times x is giving me the x squared. That's why I'm starting with the 2 x's. Now my strategy is these 2 numbers will need to multiply to give me the 4, but they'll need to add to give me the negative 4. So I'm going to do a little bit of scratch work on the side here. I want them to multiply to that constant. I call that number on its own the constant or the c term, so that's 4 here. And I'm hoping that I find a pair that add to the middle number we call b, of negative 4. So I'm just going to go through numbers that multiply to give me 4. 1 times 4 gives me 4. But if I add these things up, 1 plus 4 gives me 5. That's not what I want. So I might try 2. 2 times 2 gives me 4. If I add these, that gives me a positive 4, really close, but the sign is off. So maybe I can try negative, negative. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives me a positive 4. That's looking good. And negative 2 plus negative 2 gives me negative 4. So when I'm working with a trinomial here that's starting with just an x squared, I'm trying to find 2 numbers that multiply to give me the constant, but add to give me the middle term. Once you find those numbers, you're just going to write them in. X minus 2, x minus 2. So when I factor x squared minus 4x plus 4, I'm getting the final result of x minus 2 times x minus 2. You can always check by multiplying things out. So let's try that out here. I'm going to multiply the first things together. I'm going to FOIL. So I'm going to do first things, outer things, inner things, and last things. I'm going to multiply it out. X times x gives me x squared. X times negative 2 gives me negative 2x. Negative 2 times x gives me negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 gives me a positive 4. So I've got this negative 2 minus negative 2. So combining those 2 terms is going to give me a negative 4x. You don't have to write that extra step where you're just underlining things. I just wanted to show you the terms that I'm combining here. I am working in this vertical form where I'm lining up my equal signs, but this is how I factor a leading coefficient of 1 trinomial.